Hey everyone, welcome back to Utils. I am back again with another informative video. Before starting this video, I want to ask you if you are ready to build a stunning directory website. Just a few simple steps? Yes? Then let's get started. Also, I have something very useful for you at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end. Well, in this video, I am going to use the Brick WordPress theme. It's a best seller whether you want to create a local business directory, a real estate hub, or an online marketplace. This WordPress theme is your secret weapon. First, let's quickly break down what a directory website is. It's essentially a site that organizes and displays listings, whether it's a business, properties, services, or events. Think about websites like Yelp, Zillow, or even LinkedIn. With the Brick WordPress theme, you can create a professional looking directory website for pretty much anything, and the best part is it's easy to use, highly customizable, and perfect for beginners or pros. Now let's dive into building your very own directory. Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty of building, you will need to have the Brick theme installed on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry, it's super simple. Just grab the Brick theme zip file from Utils after you purchase it, then head over to your WordPress dashboard. You can watch our previous video for a detailed explanation of installing the Brick WordPress theme in a few minutes. I will pin the video link in the comment section and you can go through that. Okay, so let's move on with after the theme installation. Okay, so now that you have your theme installed, let's set up the foundation of your directory. First things first, listing types. So hover to listing types and there you will find three listings, namely places to stay, restaurants, and experiences. Go through each one of them and you will see various options that you can edit according to your desire. So let's say, suppose you clicked on the edit option for places. Suppose you clicked on the edit option for places to stay. You will see various options. In listing, you have options like fields, action, pricing, reservations, reviews. These are added to give you the upper hand and customize three important features according to your desire. Suppose in the reservations section, you unticked the option that says allow instant booking. Then it will immediately show its effect on your live website. See? Yes. So now if you go to monetize, you will see plans where you as a business owner can select the exact plan you want in front of your visitors. Let me show you how it will look. Let's visit the site and click on this button. Select place to stay, continue. Now see, this is how it will appear in front of your customer. Since we are customizing the place to stay listing, we would definitely like to add pages for the desired places, right? Well, you can see the options here. There's this general, gallery, location, accommodation, and more such options. As the owner, you should be adding the details here. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it will look and your added stuff will be shown here. It's that simple. If we go to this bar and restaurant option, We can have a beautiful page with every detail of the bar or the restaurant. These pages can have all necessary information that a customer would be looking for. In the end, click on listings, then select all listings. You will see several listings with their types mentioned on it. For now, let's edit the one with places to stay written on it. Scroll a bit down. And you will see all the customization options for this page. You can add all the essential details such as location, price, description, images, and even videos. As you can see, all the necessary sections are shown in a sleek way. Whether you are showcasing restaurants, vacation rentals, or any listings, Bricks give you the liberty to build a stunning website without demanding any complex backend management. No more boring cookie cutter designs. Your directory will stand out from the crowd with Bricks' sleek and customizable layouts. Once your directory structure, listings, and designs are ready, take a moment to preview everything. Make sure your site's navigation is smooth, your listings are easy to browse, and your listings are clear. Okay, it's the end of the video, and here I have an announcement to make. We are now offering a web view customization option with the existing custom support that we provide to our Brick customers. Yeah, you heard that right. And the first 100 customization requests will be eligible for a flat 10% discount. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips, tutorials, and tools to make the most of your site. Also, if you want WordPress customization and support from the Utils team, you can contact us. Our contact details are in the description below, and we will help you with our expertise. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.